Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you guys a free easy way through which you can make thumbnails for your YouTube videos. You don't have to download anything, it's all in your browser and it's completely free. And the website I'm talking about is Pixlr, which is pixlr.com. There's gonna be a link in the description and which will probably take you to this website. They keep changing the layouts and everything, so it might not look the same, but look for something called Advanced E, or the name might change, but currently they have two options available, the X and E version. What you're going to select is the Advanced E version, so I'm going to click on that, and once you click on that you end up here. This is where the previously made thumbnails are gonna be, so they all stored that online. I think if you have an account then it'll be easier for you to save everything. And yeah, so over here if you click on create new, then you'll get an option to select from a few templates. The one that you should go with is the full HD. Now you can go with the 720p or the 144. Now these are all gonna work, but I think 720p is a little too less resolution because the thumbnails are getting showed everywhere nowadays and they get more priority than they used to get. So, and also the thumbnails do matter a lot when it comes to YouTube and getting views, because it's the first thing that everyone's gonna see. Full HD for this tutorial, and let's name this to whatever you want to, and then you have to select background. Once you click on that, then they ask you the color of the background that you want, so I'm gonna go with black. Click on create. So now you have a solid background that you can work with. So the first thing that I want to show is the layer options. Now here you can add layers. Like when you click on the plus, you get an option to select to create an empty layer, a layer with an image or a text. So I'm gonna go with a text. So here I can type. You can also further edit your text. So another thing that I want to show you is how you can add pictures into your thumbnail. So let's go over and search for PNG file. Now what you're looking for is a transparent file, something that has a transparent background. But if it doesn't, it's no worries if it's not like a picture like this. I'm going to show you how you can remove the background from this. Alright, so I'm going to click on the plus sign, and now image, it comes with a new layer. So now I'm gonna remove the white background, since the background is very contrasting and well defined from the main picture. It'll be easy to remove. I'm gonna click on the magic wand tool here, and I'm gonna click on the white portion over here. This will select the whole white up the white part of my picture. So you need to have your layer selected, and all you have to do is hit delete and the white portion is gonna disappear. Now you can use Ctrl D to deselect, and now you have your image. And if you've used Photoshop before, you can see that a lot of the controls resemble Photoshop. So you can also upload or use a PSD file. You can edit a Photoshop file. This is what it was really known for. Once you have created your thumbnail, you can add more stuff as well. There are a lot of tools here that you can use to make your thumbnail the way you want it to be. So once you're done, you can click on file and hit save. Now you can make this into a PNG file or a JPG file. Now YouTube goes with JPGs and everything's gonna be high, and you click on download, and that is pretty much it. So yeah, that is how you can make thumbnails for your YouTube videos or for less. So if you're starting out, and you'll need a simple editor that can help you edit your videos, then edit your pictures, and this is probably gonna work. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys again in another video with another tutorial. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching again. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below what you think about a good editor for YouTube should be. What do you personally use for your videos? Let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching.